Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to get a free physical Revolut debit card. So first of all, you need to open up Revolut app on your device, and then from here, just flick over to Cards tab. Over here, you need to click on this Get Card button, and it'll take you to this screen. For this instance, I'll go with Physical Debit Card. Simply tap on it. Now here, you'll have three options. First, Standard Card, which is going to cost you £4.99 as delivery fee. Second, Metal Card, for which you need to upgrade to Metal Plan. And then third one, Premium Card, for which you need to upgrade to Premium Plan. For this instance, I'll go with Standard Card. So let's click on Get Standard, and then set up a PIN for your Revolut card. Now it'll ask you to confirm your delivery address. Simply tap on Confirm Delivery Address and follow the on-screen instructions to order your Revolut card. Well, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.